Cause so much liquidity right there. It's so much liquidity right there. You got all them risk reward motherfuckers. Think it's going up. And what's my risk and what I was thinking on this trade just to give a um just what I was thinking. So I'm part of the Team Alliance. My name my name Jody. But I'm gonna let it play out for everything. Okay, so I see this move right here. This was a what I it's like a position move. You know what I'm saying? It's like it moved to a new position, and I see it's ranging right here. Now what happened was this went up. That's why the wick is right there. This went up, but it went right back in the position. It went right back in the in the in the stability of range right here, in the which is like a three to 4 top market pip range. So it went right back. Another thing I analyzed these levels here. It don't want to. It moved. It moved. It moved to this. It moves to this position. So it's not shooting up. It don't want to shoot up. It's want to go down regardless. Like you could just tell. I don't know. You could just tell it want to go down. But I knew there was a move. So I let it play out. Boom, 6. So let's start it at 6, right? Watch this 5. Okay, this is the opening of the minute. That's not a speed burst. That was the opening of the minute. So it opened at 4. It didn't go to 6. You notice just this line this is something I had to learn on my own. Look, if it would have went to this close at 6, this opened at 4. So you know what I'm saying? It didn't do nothing. It's no this where it started. So look, 3, pow. I got the +1. That's my +1. That's what I wanted. Because you got a whole lot of risk reward dudes, Forex traders, thinking it's gonna bounce up. That's why they think it's gonna bounce up. So it's so much liquidity right here. It's crazy. Like if I wanted to, I could have put anything. I could have put a 50 here if I wanted to and would have got it. Because it's so much liquidity right here. Everyone think it's gonna pop up. That's what everybody mind, but they don't understand timing. Which they are. Hey, guess what? They right. It is gonna pop up, but just not right now. So it is gonna pop up, but just right now, it's shooting down. It's so much liquidity right here. It's crazy. Like you can put anything you want right here, and you going to get filled. Look at that. And this I use the thinking some chart just to get an overview on a chart. Yeah, I mark levels. I don't even use this indicator. I just when I downloaded the fucking this platform, it don't go away. So fuck it. I just keep it up there. I like how it looks. I don't know. I don't know what none of this shit means down there. But these lines, I actually mark my MRMHs. Every time I get an MRMH, I mark a line. Believe it or not, MRAs tend to show up in literally the same place a lot of times. See, even the line I'm on now, back in the past, I must have had an MRMA shirt. That's why I marked this line, and it came right back. That's just how it goes. So boom, watch. That's the candle shot down. That's exactly what I'm looking at over here. Boom, shooting down, shooting down, shooting down. It's all about timing. So hope it was good. All right.